Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Cool Gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness tracking with the Amazfit Band 5. With Alexa built-in, this fitness tracker offers a range of features to help you stay on top of your health and fitness goals. The Amazfit Band 5 is more than just a fitness tracker. With Amazon Alexa built-in, you can ask questions, set alarms, check the weather, and control your smart home devices right from your wrist. The 15-day battery life means you can go longer between charges, making it perfect for travel or busy lifestyles. The band also features a blood oxygen saturation monitor, ideal for high-intensity workouts and sports, with 24/7 heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking. The Band 5 helps you understand your physical state and adjust your habits accordingly. It even includes women's health tracking, recording, and predicting the menstrual cycle. Thanks for tuning in to our overview of the Amazfit Band 5. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cool Gadgets for more reviews of fitness trackers and other cool gadgets. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth.